In today's exercise, we're going to do an octave scale. Now, this is quite difficult if you have smaller hands. So for the first thing you need to do is to see if you can reach an octave. So you pick a note, let's start with middle C. We're going to play it with our thumb. And then what we want to do is play the C above it with our little finger. Now, if you can't reach this, then you can play it with your two different hands. But for everybody else, I want you to play it with your one hand. And what we're going to do is we're going to move up the piano in octaves all the way up to the next C. And then we move all the way back down again. Okay, so spend some time doing this with your right hand, and then we're going to try it with our left hand, which is the same thing, except we start with our little finger on the C below middle C. And then you can move up in octaves all the way until you reach middle C. And then we come back down again. Okay, and then you can switch hands. So if you can't reach, do this with two hands, moving up in octaves. And then you could even do this lower, all the way up to middle C, and come back down again. But hopefully you can reach with the one hand, because this is what I want you to be doing. So put your thumb on middle C, you reach your finger up to the C above it, and then we're going to move all the way up and down again. And then you switch and do it with your left hand. In today's exercise, I want you to practice finding notes. So I'm going to give you a note and you've got to play the octave of that note. So if I said to you, play C, you would have to play an octave of C, and this would be correct. So I'll give you a few seconds for each one, but we will try and find all 8 notes. So first up, please can you play me an E? Okay, so hopefully this is what you got. Next, can you please play me an A? Hopefully this is what you got. Next, can you please play me the note G? Okay, the answer is, here is an octave of G. Next, can you please play me the note D? Hopefully this is what you got. Okay, next, can you please play me the note B? Okay, and this is what you should have got. Okay, next, can you please play me the note F? Okay, and this is what you should have got. Okay, in today's exercise, we're going to be moving up in octaves again, but this time I want you to use both hands. So we're going to start with our right hand thumb on middle C, and we're going to play the C above it with our little finger. We're also going to play the C below it with our left hand. If you're feeling really, really confident and you can reach, you could do 2 and move up like this. But you don't have to, you can just use 1 for now. So we start on C, we're going to move all the way up to C and then come all the way down again. Okay, and I also want you to do this by saying the note names. So it would look like this: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. In today's exercise, I just want you to find notes again. So I'm going to call out some notes and you just need to play the octave. So I'll give you a few seconds after I've said each one to try and find the note. So to start, can you please play me the note B? Okay, so this is hopefully what you got. Next, can you please play for me the note D? Okay, this hopefully is what you got. Next, can you please play the note F? So an F would look like this. Next, can you please play the note C? This should be a nice easy one for you. Here is the C. Next, can you please play the note E? And this is what you should have got. Next, can you please play me the note G? Okay, the answer is... And lastly, can you please play the note A? And hopefully this is what you got.